Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. And I did a review on the Spade ear cleaning device some time back, and people have said, well, it's great as camera. Let's see it in action for cleaning your ear. So, first of all, keep in mind it depends how much wax you have in your ear. And what is great about this device, whether it's for you, for your kids, your pet, is that you could see in your ear, and that really helps as well. So I wanted just to show you first, you can see this is the head that I have currently on there. There is one also that looks like a Q-tip, and that is one. And then here's one that's gonna got more of a round head. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my ear and show you. Now, again, keep in mind this is great for seeing in your ear, and I'll put a link where you can get more information on it. So there we go. So now it's in my ear, in my right ear, and you can see I've got a lot of hair in my ear. And so it allows you to just use it and you can pull that wax out. So you could see that wax that it just pulled that's on the bottom of the little uh, hook. So there is some. And again, depending upon how much wax you have is what it's going to pull out. Now I'm going pretty deep into my ear here. Up there's some wax right there. So I know this is kind of disgusting, but you can see how it's pulling the wax out. It just pulled some more. Again, this thing really works. Then you could rinse this off and then do your other ear. But I really, again, just wanted to demonstrate to you that this can get wax out of your ear. It really is a very cool product. I'm going to go ahead and get that wax off with my finger there. I know that's pretty disgusting, but you know what? This is the wax, and now I'm going to try my other ear. And this is my left ear. Let's see what's going on in my ear. And I'm going back as far as I can. Now, when you get hair, it's going to block your view a little bit. But again, there's some more wax that it just pulled out. And now it's out of my ear. And there it is. So this product works great for wanting to not only see what's in your ear, but for pulling out wax. So hopefully this video will help for those that are saying, hey, I haven't seen it in action, being able to pull out some wax. So again, I'm going to go back in, and this is as far back as I can go. I don't want to go back further because I'll hit my eardrum, but there you go. So you can just go with it, turn the camera, and there we go. Let's see if there's anything else that I can pull out, but there you go. That's it. There's the wax. There's proof in the pudding. All right, everybody, let me know if you have any questions. Click on the link to learn more. Have a great day. Take care.